University of Parma is the lead institution of an Erasmus Plus capacity building project entitled EnRHEd, Enhancement of Rwandan Higher Education Institutions in Strategic Fields for Sustainable Growth. This workshop was organized in order to meet all the partners which are in the same project.